Hello, sparkle lovers. So in today's episode, I just want to show you what you can do with a plain thrifted frame. I got this at the Goodwill. It's got seashells, it's beachy. I've been in the beachy mode and I just need to give it a little bit of sparkle. And to do that, you're gonna grab some Mod Podge and some diamond dust. You can find both of those at your local craft store, Michael's. You're gonna wanna take a brush, grab some Mod Podge, and all I'm gonna do is brush on the Mod Podge. And it doesn't have to be super thick, it doesn't have to be super thin, but you want it to be coated enough that that diamond dust is going to stick to your surface. Now I'm pretty much focusing on this outer edge here. I'm not looking for any puddles or drips, just a nice even coat. And you're gonna take your diamond dust. I use these little cheese shakers. They work out perfect. This is super easy. Do not use diamond dust if you are around, if it's gonna be in your kitchen or if it's gonna be around little ones. It is shards of glass and you gotta be careful with it. But as you can see, it adds a bunch of sparkle. Now that's gonna look cloudy until that Mod Podge dries, but I will come back when it dries and give you the final aspect of it. And with wedding season coming up, this is a great way to take any plain old picture or wedding announcement or frame and give it a little sparkle, because I think every bride, well, at least every bride that I have ever met likes a little bit of sparkle at their wedding. And this is just a great way to add that in there. Super affordable, and you really just makes everything just a little bit more glam. Now I will come back when this is all dry and I will show you the after, and then you can save all this, put that back in your jar, and there you have it. Look at how pretty that's gonna be, and it's gonna be even better when that Mod Podge dries. So give me a few minutes and I will come back and show you how amazing this is. And as you can see here, it is all clear and dry with a beautiful sparkle around those seashells. And I just threw in a few other pictures of things around my home that I have diamond dusted over the years. This is a canvas print of some angel wings in my bedroom. The picture I've had since I was a little girl that belonged to my mom. I diamond dusted the mat around the picture, and then I did a canvas of us on our wedding day, and you can see it's just beautiful.